Good evening. This is Harshit, your tech host, back with all that is new in this emerging tech world. Apple CEO Tim Cook maintains a low profile on social media, particularly on the platform formerly known as Twitter. An Instagram account under Tim Cook's name has been discovered, which, upon investigation, is proven to be fake. The authenticity of this fake account is strengthened by its followers, which include two senior Apple vice presidents, Lisa Jackson and Alan Dye. So far, the account has made two posts, one celebrating World Photography Day, showcasing photos taken with an iPhone, and another related to an Apple ad campaign. The authenticity and reach of the account are further solidified as several other Apple employees are found following it. A new prototype in the Angie PADC project has been developed, which can significantly impact various sectors. The core capabilities include instantaneous frequency measurement, generation, and transport of RF using optical methods. These advancements can lead to quicker digital communication, better satellite communication, enhanced medical imaging, and innovative photonic radars. The limitations of current electronic ADCs become apparent with reduced vertical resolution at high bandwidth. The introduction of photonics offers two potential solutions to tackle this issue. Checkpoint research highlights an 8% increase in global weekly cyber attacks, the most significant in 2 years. Modern attackers combine next-gen AI technologies with traditional tools like USB devices. Statistics reveal an average of 2152 attacks per organization in H1 2023, a 20% year-over-year increase. Ransomware groups are now shifting from data encryption to data theft by exploiting vulnerabilities in commonly used software. Reports note the use of USB drives by both state-affiliated groups and cybercriminals as a method of global infiltration. Next up, we have Qualcomm and MediaTek are keen on rivaling Apple's M-series processors. Qualcomm announced its Orion processor in 2022 targeting Apple's silicon. Rumors suggest Qualcomm is facing challenges developing its in-house Orion cores, potentially delaying the Snapdragon 8 CX Gen 4 launch. The Snapdragon 8 CX Gen 4 is speculated to be available in three configurations, with the most capable having a 12-core CPU. Tipster @TechRadio suggests undisclosed problems with the development of in-house cores for this chip. Asus releases the Marshmallow keyboard KW100 and Marshmallow mouse MD100, focusing on quiet computing. The Marshmallow keyboard KW100 boasts silent switches, reducing noise by up to 90% and is compatible with multiple OS platforms. It supports 3 simultaneous connections, offering a similar typing experience to notebooks and ensures a long battery life of up to 24 months. These new accessories aim to cater to the demands of users seeking silent operation and diverse device compatibility. Both the keyboard and mouse are designed for longevity and user-friendly functionality. X, formerly known as Twitter and now under Elon Musk, introduces updates focusing on video and media uploads. Premium subscribers get extended video options, including longer recording times and better quality resolution. Users can access the Media Studio at the provided URL, download videos to their devices, and control video download settings for their posts. Enhancing user accessibility, popular videos will now have automatic captions. Users can stream videos from X to their TV using AirPlay support and watch videos in picture-in-picture mode while multitasking. Vishal Garg, CEO of Data.com, is infamous for his 2021 Zoom call where he fired over 900 employees. During the call, Garg accused some employees of dishonestly reporting their working hours. Post the incident, Garg acknowledged his mistakes in handling the layoffs. Since 2021, the company has let go of over 90% of its workforce and merged with ASPAC Aurora Acquisition Corp in 2022. Recently, the company debuted on the Nasdaq Capital Market, and Garg addressed various concerns, including the controversial Zoom call, in a TechCrunch interview. Thanks for tuning in. This is Harshit signing off. Subscribe to IT Voice for all things tech, from gadget reviews to industry insights and latest tech news.
आपको भी कुछ ऐसा मैसेज आया? ये एक ब्रॉडकास्ट टेस्टिंग मैसेज है। इंडिया के नेशनल डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट एंड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टेलीकम्युनिकेशन विद गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया है कि जैसे कभी अर्थक्वेक आता है, कोई भी ऐसा डिजास्टर आता है, लोगों को इन्फॉर्म करना पड़ता है टाइम पे, एंड इसकी टेस्टिंग चल रही है। तो आपको भी कुछ ऐसा नोटिफिकेशन आएगा। इससे घबराना नहीं है, दिस इज जस्ट फॉर टेस्टिंग और आपको अलर्ट करने के लिए आया है। तो अगर आपको ऐसे अमेजिंग टेक शॉट चाहिए तो IT वॉइस को जरूर फॉलो करें और दोस्तों के साथ जरूर शेयर करें ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेटिव रील, ताकि आप भी टाइमली सतर्क रह पाएं और इस सारी चीज़ों से बच पाएं। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट रील।